Thank you for reaching FTC4 production. My people, as usual, bringing value to all of you. As promised, I told you that I was gonna actually be bringing more and more to you the best way I can to upgrade your skills, professional skills, yourself, your pocket, anywhere I can. But the best way of everything, it is for free. You cannot beat free. I mean, who say no to free? Huh? And what better than getting stuff that is gonna do better to your own life in every single way? You'll find it in this channel. Nothing to sell you here, nothing going on. You don't have to spend money, there's no catch. Free. Now, W3C providing HTML5 and CSS fundamentals. Learn how to build websites using HTML5 and basic CSS directly from W3C, which many of you, I'm pretty sure, are aware of that particular institution. It's really good on programming and, creator of the latest web standards. The estimated time to complete the course is 6 weeks, 4 to 6 hours per week. Come on, you're gonna tell me that you cannot dedicate 45 minutes a day from Monday to Sunday, or 1 hour a day, you know, from Monday to Friday, or Saturday. Many of you, there's no excuse. I mean, I know there are certain people that work 2 jobs and they are really saturated by the time they get home because there's other things that they need to deal with. I get it. But, well, and everybody has to know their own limitation, but every man, every woman have to push themselves to the limit so they can know what their limitations are. And, gotta tell you, if you like to be living the slavery mode, okay, be my guest. Fine, you can go away. This course, this cat channel is not for you. Because I gotta tell you, here is where people that wanna leave the current status life and make it better is where they come, or where they begin. And my goal is to bring to all of you, something, something that can improve you one way or another. And I volunteer doing this because I know there are people out there that they can't do nothing with their lives because economical situation, they don't have the means, and opportunity like this they don't know. So it's good to bring it, and if you know people like this, pass it on. This is a self-paced course. The progress is at your own speed. You don't want to spend. You don't have to spend an hour a day. You can spend 10 minutes. And free, when I say free, the optional upgrade is available. Now, I'm the type of person that certificate doesn't determine what the kind of person, professional you may be. There are many people out there with certificate and they don't go nowhere. They know less than the one that never went to the school. And you know it. They just get a job because sometimes they have what society requires you to be eligible to apply to a certain position, which is the degree. It's a fixed system, unfortunately, but it's the way it's supposed to be, because you don't want to put somebody that is now highly educated in certain position. It doesn't apply all the time. Okay, I'm not generalizing because I don't want to be misinterpreted. I don't want to be being looked at, okay, or no, I'm no bias and that stuff. Just I said it how things are out there. I'm actually got my degrees, I'm educated, but I know people that do not have any type of credentials. And they are the one moving a company. I gotta tell you that. And if that person leave, buddy, problems. Sometimes the owners of the same company are less educated than the people working around. Fords, well, we're not gonna get into the stories, but many people actually know Ford's story. If you don't know about something, you hire the people who know about it. Hire professionals. But again, what I'm trying to say is not somebody that might be, outstanding in something because he hired a lot of professionals to do it for them. I'm saying that there are people out there that don't have the credential, the certification, the degree, and they take classes like these for free to upgrade themselves, make themselves better. And trust me, I rather prefer to have somebody like that in my company than somebody that has a certificate, only know the theoretical part, and when you put them to do something practical, they don't know nada. But again, that's the way it is out there. Melting pot, there's a little bit of everything. Now, the optional upgrade means that you gonna get validated from W3C with a certificate, and you will get questions, questionnaire, and tests. You're gonna be tested about it, and you will be graded, of course. But for that, you gotta pay, and we're gonna check that out down below. But the optional upgrade, the free section, you get the material. It's on your own. You take it with yourself. It's a particular amount of time that you actually can keep the material. It's not forever. And you read it and learn it. You take that knowledge to the grave. And it's free. You can lose about this. Especially HTML5 and CSS. It's not about degree. Because when you're about to go to the company to work and provide a certain portfolio or determine how to handle something, the degree is not going to help you. It's the knowledge that you have to handle a problem. You see what I'm trying to get at? You cannot lie in HTML5 or CSS. You got to know your stuff. So whether you get tested in here or not, I think it doesn't make any difference, other than if you want to actually go out there in the field and get a better job opportunity and put your records in labeling. I think, yeah, you're gonna need proof of what you put in there is right, because if you take it for free, you don't want to have any proof. It's only you on what you know. So, but again, the goal of this channel and this video is to bring you free stuff. You want to take it, you want to get knowledgeable in this, fine, go for it. And one day, who knows, if you really feel like the best way for you to start something is by trying, on your own, see how it goes. Then if you think if you have what is necessary needs to be done, then you take a course, but you go ready. You don't want to go with your empty hands without the basic knowledge in one of these schools to do a program. Of course, they're going to actually teach you, because that's for beginners. If you don't know anything, they teach you from the ground. But if you want to get ahead of everybody, you get prepared yourself, get your hands wet, your feet wet into the field that you want to go in first before you go in there. If you know what I'm trying to say. This way, I can give you a lot of points about this. This is free. That's what you need. Starting February 19, which is today. This is your section, and ending April, I think it is. I don't know why it says enroll February 19 and starting. I don't know why it's saying that. Let me hit it. See what it says here. Okay, no. Let's create an account. I don't have an account with them, but you can go. I'm gonna leave the URL down below so you actually check it. But this might be a typo. All right. About this course. This course is part of the W3C front-end web developer professional certificate. Learn about the basic building blocks of web design and install HTML5 and CSS to give you your site professional look and feel, and that's what it is. So I'm not gonna actually fill you with more intel because I don't want to get you bored, but I'm gonna leave the details down below with the video. So from that point on, please check it out. Any other further concern or questions, please let me know. Thanks for using FDC4 production, and have a wonderful day. Adios. Good luck.